Suck and Blow is a fun party game where everyone uses their lips to pass a card back and forth between each other. To play, first, grab a single playing card from a deck. Then, have everyone sit in a circle and choose one player to pass the card first. That player places the card against their lips and sucks in to hold it in place. Then, they turn to the player on their left and pass the card to their lips without using their hands by blowing on it. The other player has to suck in to hold the card against their lips. Once they have the card, they pass it to the player on their left the same way. Players continue passing the card clockwise around the circle. If two players drop the card between them, they have to kiss. Once the card has been dropped, you can continue the game in the same direction, or switch directions so everyone is passing the card to their right now.